What's up, guys?
What's up?
So we just finished painting. So now we're gonna clear the car and
What's up, guys? So that was actually right on point. So as you guys saw, the car is finally painted, and I don't know if you see that reflection right there. You could clearly see the window. It is. We are very, very happy. It does have its minor imperfections. Again, it's our first time laying paint in ever, and just look at that. We are excited. Definitely want to see what the final product is once, of even just this, until the parts come. But I think we got a lot accomplished.
yeah, I think today was a good day, and like for some first-time painters, I think we did a pretty good job.
Yeah, I agree. There's I think we knocked it out the park for the first time laying down paint.
I mean, at the end of this build, we'll do another video where we go over price breakdown, and we also tell you guys our whole experience on the whole fiasco, painting, bodywork, buying a car that needs so much work, and the whole thing about giving it to my dad and everything else. So at the very end of this build, you guys will see that. And it'll be cool to show you guys how much we spent versus how much it would have cost to paint this car, and and how small victories, even though we're not 1,000% happy with it, we're like. For all things considered,
we're 999% happy.
Yeah, we're happy because all things considered, the workspace we had, the materials, everything considered, we did a pretty good job. We're happy with that.
Yeah, so, I must say, if it wasn't, to be honest, if it wasn't for the gun at first acting up, it was a mixture of the gun and the compressor, an issue between the gun and the compressor. We would have got a lot more. We would have got better results, but either way, I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to wet sand and buff most of this stuff out.
So yeah, I mean, as we're taking all the tape, because you don't want the tape to adhere.
Oh yeah.
There's some dirt that came on.
Show you guys.
I accidentally.
You can't even see it on camera, really.
I accidentally touched the car myself.
Then he touched the car right there. Him.
Yeah, by mistake. So that's good. That's all sandable things, so that's not a big deal.
Yeah, that's just surface. So
next time we're out here, you guys are gonna see us move the car around, get everything ready for the next batch of painting. What's going on, guys?
What's up, guys?
So it's a couple days later. Yeah. So today we're going to put wheels back on the car and basically get the car rolling, move it into this back corner that there's no space for, and then we are going to.
This is gonna be a cleanup video, basically. We're making room to put the car in the back corner.
Yeah, I think we should be able to at least. We got the fenders off the parts car.
The doors are already prepped, right? We're just
one of the doors. Yeah, one of the doors.
Both of the doors are prepped.
One of the doors is completely primered. One door's prepped. It just needs.
We primered the door?
Yeah, that door's primered.
Oh.
Yeah. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to basically put wheels on the car. We're gonna move the car back to the back corner. We're gonna go over the car once we paint the rest of the parts, so we could all show you guys all at once. The car does need some touch-up work, but we'll worry about that once we come back and do that work. You guys can see it then. So yeah, we're running on a time crunch. We got to get things going. So. Let's get right to it. Yeah. Alright, guys. So we ran into our first problem.
These wheels are 4x114. Or they're not 4x100, is all we know in all reality. So they're kind of useless.
Yeah, so these, when this sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Yeah. We got these wheels with the parts car, and he's like, oh, I don't need them anymore, just take them. I mean, they have good tires, so that's not a downgrade, I guess, because we could just get wheels for this car and without tires. But now we don't have any way to move this car unless we go outside, jack that car up, and then bring stuff inside and jack the car back up in the corner, because that car needs to be on all fours.
We can't leave that car on
jack stands. So we're just gonna start throwing stuff in the interior. I didn't want to do this, but we're gonna have to because we need to do something today. So
yeah, we need progress, which is that's where we're at. I mean, we could throw the carpet in, and
we also decided we're gonna stay with the blue interior.
Yeah, because the problem is, all in all, that parts car was a loss for us.
Tell them about the bumpers.
The bumpers are, well, they're ripped on corners and stuff like that. They're useless. So we're going to be, the only thing we took off that car is fenders. So we paid $500 for a set of fenders. So, yeah, so we're going to just show you guys some updates. I mean, we can't put the plastics back in the back either way because we got to figure out the taillight situation.
I think we're just going to do it anyways. We'll figure that out later.
We need access to the wire.
We could have figured out that later. We're not putting doors back on the car, so it's not going to be hard.
Yeah, we can just give it back off, I guess. Alright, we're going to get to it. Show you guys what, we're going to give you guys some content.
So you know, the further we get into today, it's just like it's not meant for us to work. So we're putting this carpet in, but we realized that the carpet's missing the side panels, the what are they called? The door sills that that hold the carpet in. You can tell this is an aftermarket carpet. It's all cut up. The holes don't even match up. So
either way, we need the seats and everything from that car. We're just gonna give you guys content. We're gonna do whatever we can. We're gonna strip that car, so you guys are gonna see us inside that car taking everything out that we need for this car. We're still using these rear panels that came with this car. So we're taking the carpet, center console. Just show them what's broken right there and what's missing.
Yeah, the vents on this dash are gonna get replaced with that one. The ignition, and then we're also gonna take off the dash, because to get that car running and get that car sold, I have to replace the pedal assembly. So we're gonna remove the dash because we're gonna remove the whole harness anyways.
We're good. So we are taking the harness.
Yeah, I was against it at first, but with how everything's going right now, we might as well just do it right and get it going the first time. And, you know,
I agree.
I'm gonna sell this car for whatever I could get for it anyway, so it doesn't matter.